Are we ready?
Yeah. Oh. We're fine.
Hi, welcome. Come on in.
Hello.
Yeah, great. Whoa. Wipe your feet.
So here's our space that we rehearse in. We've got a slightly bigger hall for the actual performance.
Big budget.
But we're expecting a sold out show. And these are our wonderful actors. We got the
Arseholes.
What is this? I don't know.
Now, I understand that you two have had extraordinary careers on stage. How has that affected the way you approach directing?
Well, I mean, what is directing? How does anyone affect anything? I've won awards for writing screenplays. I could be directing a ham sandwich. Nice jeans. With a great room of actors. It can go really well. To answer your question, yes.
Can you tell me what inspired this particular production?
Of course. Have you ever heard the novel Noughts and Crusts?
I don't believe I have.
Well, it's a story of forbidden love in a world where people like us are treated differently just because of the colour of their skin. It's existentialism at its finest.
Right. And how do you feel working with less experienced actors?
It's been a journey. And then Beth moves to downstage left.
Beth moves to downstage left.
Left. Oh.
But we've made it work for us. And we have a fantastic team behind us.
Yeah, they're great. Okay, right. Beth, Bailey, yeah. Come here for a second, please. Okay, let me put this in a way you'll understand, okay? I hate you. I hate you so much. Thank you.
Can I ask, what challenges did you face in creating a play about such a sensitive subject?
Well, barely any, really. I mean, it is an awful subject. I mean, we're constantly victims of vicious racism.
What?
The doctors have fixed my eyes. Now all I have to do is take off my bandages and I can finally see the man I love. Wait. You are one of them?
What do you mean I'm one of them? Oh, I get it. Why don't you just say it? Tell me what's stopping us from being together.
You're white. It's disgusting.
Right, stop. Okay, right, listen. You're almost there, yeah? You just need to say it with a bit more hatred. Ugh.
What? We don't quite believe it. It doesn't really feel like you're a racist person at heart.
Good. I'm not.
Amateurs! Right, okay. Let's go to Act 3. Yeah, right. Act 3. Come on.
Are you serious? They're actually making us do that?
This is degrading.
we doing?
We're rehearsing. We're helping people.
Do you genuinely believe that?
I really don't want to do it.
Yes, of course I do. Right. Do you remember what you said to me when we first started all this?
No.
You said that we were going to change the world.
Could you whip her a little harder? Can't believe I went along with this for so long. What have we done? We're nothing.
We are something. This is us. Whip her hard. Look, this is a metaphor. Yeah? How long have we been putting hours into this?
The world needs to see this, makes it feel comfortable.
We've been shaping it, we've been perfecting it.
This is what the world is. All the bad shit is happening.
Perfecting. That's what you call this.
Everyone in the whole entire world
We have nothing.
is going to benefit from seeing you two with each other.
So, just like that, wasted years.
Let's do it. Do it for the world. Let's go. Come on.